This definitely
weirded
looks
out.
real even though they're not scared shit.
Excuse me. And I don't know. I'm okay, if you're gonna wonder that. I'm fine. Shut up. Oh my god.
Can you move that? No. Can you move that again, please? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What? Can you do that again? Can you do it again? Oh my god, oh my god.
After this event, there were many others registered, but none as shocking as the one that occurred one afternoon at her sister's house.
Hey, let's go get my sister. Hey, Charlie, watch out. What are you doing? Got you, me. Got you. Go, 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 go. Okay. Hey, Charlie. Oh my god, Danny. What? Literally, someone just ran in here, I think. Huh? Someone just ran in your room. You sure?
A strange entity manages to be captured on a couple of occasions. At the end of this footage, she notices the presence of something strange, and they go to the room without finding anything. But what neither of the two noticed was that that entity was much closer than they thought. Pay attention. Many believe that that being corresponds to a shadow being, those entities that can be perceived when we look askance.
Sounds of the Dead.
Someone suggested that this dude leave a camera or a phone down here in the basement while these strange noises are being made and a lot of activity in this area. So this is what happened when he decided to leave his phone or camera.
Gotta see this.
It is home to over 9,000 graves. Jesse begins filming the historic locale with his video camera when he suddenly sees the strange luminescent image of what looks like a small boy running through the cemetery. The boy disappears behind a gravestone, and oddly, he suddenly seems to jump into a tree and fall to the ground and disappear.
Hold on.
Jesse's video has been examined by professional visual effects artists and video experts. They all found the video to be 100% authentic and unaltered.
Real ghost caught at the cemetery.
Before the stove came on, something flammable was dragged to the stove before lighting up. I'm sure you can hear the pilot from the stove. And it had to be turned some more to stop the pilot from ticking. Talk about creepy. Watch till the end.
Y'all want to see a real ghost?
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. What, Emily? What's wrong? You just said to me, I see that. No. You just moved. Oh my God. Emily, don't worry. You just said something, that's all. No, I saw it. I saw it. Fuck. No, there was a girl in a blue dress walking towards us in that room. Which room, Emily? That room over there. Just let her know she's alright. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. What, Emily? What's wrong? You just said to me, I see that. You just moved. Oh my God. Emily, don't worry. You just said something, that's all.
I'm playing dead.